In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print on both sides of an A4 sheet in Microsoft Word. Printing double-sided is an efficient way to save paper and create professional-looking documents, especially for reports, assignments, or handouts. To begin, open the Microsoft Word document you want to print. Once your document is ready, go to the File tab located at the top left corner of the screen. Clicking on File will open the main menu, where you can access printing options, document settings, and other tools. From the File menu, select Print from the left-hand panel. This will open the print settings on the right side of your screen. Here you'll see various options, including printer selection, page range, and the number of copies. Underneath the Pages section, look for a drop-down menu related to printing on both sides. Depending on your printer, this option might say Manually print on both sides or simply Print on both sides. Click on the drop-down and select the appropriate option. Choosing this setting enables double-sided printing, either automatically if your printer supports it or manually if it requires you to flip the pages yourself. Next, check the paper size setting, which is usually displayed as letter by default. Click on the drop-down menu and select A4. This ensures that your printer uses the correct paper size for your document, avoiding formatting issues or misaligned printing. Once you've configured both the double-sided setting and the paper size, review the other printing options, such as page range and number of copies, to make sure everything is set according to your needs. When you're ready, click the Print button to start printing. If your printer is set to manual double-sided printing, follow the prompts to reinsert the pages correctly to print on the reverse side. For printers that support automatic duplex printing, the pages will print on both sides without further action. Using this method helps you reduce paper usage while maintaining a neat, professional look for your documents. It's a simple adjustment, but it can make a significant difference, especially when printing long reports or multiple copies. And that's it. You now know how to print on both sides of an A4 sheet in Microsoft Word quickly and efficiently. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.